Vuret Nail Fungus is marketed as a treatment that claims to eliminate nail fungus, restore healthy-looking nails, and improve nail appearance without the need for prescription medication. The before and after photos can look convincing, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, some over-the-counter nail fungus treatments can help improve mild fungal infections, especially when used consistently. However, treating nail fungus is often a slow process, and results can vary. What it does well, easy to apply. Most nail fungus treatments are designed for convenient at-home use, may improve the appearance of affected nails. With consistent use, some products may help reduce discoloration and support healthier-looking nail growth. Where the hype falls apart, it's not an overnight cure. Toenails grow slowly, so visible improvement can take several months. Effectiveness depends on the severity. Severe or long-standing fungal infections often require prescription treatment. Results vary between individuals. The type of fungus, consistency of use, and overall nail health all affect the outcome. So, should you buy Vuret Nail Fungus? Short answer, maybe, if you're dealing with a mild nail problem. If you're looking for an over-the-counter option, it may be worth trying. But don't expect rapid results or guaranteed success, especially if the infection is advanced. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.